Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can change the user account type on your Windows. So just please watch this video and let's go quick into the process. Now, if you are logged in a different account type, like if you are not the administrator of your Windows, so you are logged in into a standard account. Now, you want to change that user account type into the administrator, then how can you do that? Click on the Start button or vice versa. If you are in a administrator account type, then you can simply change that to the standard user account type. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to look for Accounts. That's under Apps. Now here in the Account section, scroll down and look for Other Users. That is under account settings. Look for other users, device access, work or school users, kiosk, assigned access. Click on that. Now, these are the three local accounts or the three user accounts on my Windows. So, if I'm going to change the account type of this account, of this user account, then simply click on this drop down menu that corresponds to the account that you are going to change the user account type. And you will find here two options, account options and account and data. Now you have to go with the account options. Click on this button, change account type. Now this is the standard user, which is the account type of this new user account. If I'm going to change this into the administrator account, user account type, then just simply click on administrator and click on OK. And also for the other accounts right here, if I'm going to change this into the standard user, so this is account options, click on change account type. Now this is administrator account type. So if I'm going to change this into standard user, then I'm just going to click on this drop down menu and click on standard user. Now, if you are logged in as an administrator on your Windows, you can do administrative tasks that a standard user may not be able to do so. So it's up to you if you're going to log in a standard user account type or the administrator user account type. You can just simply change the account type if you want to, just by doing the process that I have shown you. And just click on this drop down menu and choose if you are going to log in with administrator or standard user. So once done, just simply close this window and then just simply click on the Start button and then click on the Power button and click on Shutdown, or you are going to sign out from your account in order to log in with the new user account that you have changed the account type. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.